Find out angle between I caret plus j caret and I caret minus j caret. Suppose here A vector is I caret plus j caret and B is equal to I caret minus j caret. It means you want to find angle between A and B, that is suppose theta. Now A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. So from this, cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector upon AB. Now what is A vector dot B vector? I dot I, that is 1. J dot minus 1. Value of A is root 2, value of B is root 2. 0 upon root 2 is 0. So here cos theta is 0. So we can write theta is equal to 90 degree or pi by 2 radian. It means A and B are perpendicular to each other. It means I plus J and I minus J are perpendicular to each other. Thank you.